Yes, boy. The bottle is working. For now. He'll freak out again in a second. Yeah, there he goes. Okay. Hang on. I lost the hole, so... Oh,
you lost the hole?
I lost the hole.
Nice to know.
Yeah. It's a big... Oh, shit. Oh, there it is. Okay, okay, okay. Here you go.
Probably going to chew a new hole in it anyway.
Yeah, probably.
There we go.
Oh, no, come on. That's it. There we go. Look at him absolutely covered. That's why I say when I was giving him a bath earlier, I'm like, I'm not going to worry about getting him too clean, because he's going to get really dirty.
Aww.
Yeah.
Ooh. I guess I can actually use the zoom, but...
He was really sucking on it a minute ago. And we'll wipe you down with a cloth. Hey?
Got your nose in it mostly. Sorry.
Yeah? Good? Is that good? Is that yummy?
Aww.
He's so cute. Oh my god, look at that face.